No, I know that you've also been doing your own project, your own charity to contribute to people who have been affected by Melissa. What has been some of the conversations or like just the feeling and the sentiments where you get from the people them out there?
Wow. So yes, I do have my own drive. I've targeted some communities in St. Elizabeth, but rather those communities who are upward Wires Falls, some very remote rural communities, like Ginger Hill, Mahogany Hill, Mary Hill.
Some of the forgotten communities.
Right. So for me, I chose those communities. I do have family members who, lives there no, but for me, I know how far these communities are from the towns or the cities. And when we go up there, boy, may I tell you, everything looked like a total different place. And these are places that I visited almost all of my life. It was unrecognizable, and they're just so thankful though. Like some people they've lost every single thing. When I say everything, I mean if I bring you this right now, you wouldn't even believe that houses were there. But they're just so hopeful. Them still a try for smile. But trust and believe me, it is so heart wrenching. So I just want each and every one of those persons in those rural communities and those remote communities to know that some way somehow help I get to them. You understand?
No.